Bag himself with it. All right, here.
You gotta get down in sumo stance like this.
Y'all line up. Y'all line up.
You hear it pop as it goes.
Pretty hot. What?
Fight.
What are we doing?
Sumo.
I thought. Fight. Hey, okay, Frank. Y'all gotta go back towards the middle of the yard again. You ripped my helmet. I don't have a helmet anymore. You're missing shoulder pads, too. I'm sweating. Ready? No. Get down and stand. Fight. Oh, you got him. Okay.
I think Christopher won.
Bounce, bounce, Christopher. Bounce. Good hit. Oh, yeah.
What was that?
Come on, Harley, get on.
Okay, I'm about to throw up.
All over Ashton's face. Get up, Ashton. I'm big, busted. Get up. He did a flip. Oh yeah.
Dancing over here, man.
Are y'all ready?
For what?
Y'all gonna fight again?
I lost all my armor.
You got plenty of bubble wrap left. Keep going.
I
Dude,
think
you'll
he
be
added some.
fine. Come on.
I think so.
There you go.
I definitely added some of my armor.
Here, hold on, hold on. Move your hand. No, quick.
Just
Here,
choke him out with.
That's all you gotta do. Tuck it on the back. Hold on.
Yeah.
It's away from snow to 90 degrees.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh,
thanks.
You got a tie, dude. Look, it looks like a tie.
I can't see it.
Yeah.